I welcome you to this video. My name is Arijit, and today we are going to learn how to look for hot selling products on Aliexpress. Most of the time, what people do, or 99% of the dropshippers do, it's kind of funny, guys. They just copy whatever is working for others, and that is the best way they can provide the solution to a problem is to copy someone else. And that is a good way to start, but it's not going to help you in any ways because it's not a long-term game. What if that product dies out? Then how would you research for another product? And how would you go about searching for products? You cannot just look at one store and just replicate whatever is working for them. It's a good strategy to analyze your competitors, but it's not good or ethical to just steal whatever they are doing. You're just building competition against them. Let's say you are doing a business and someone tries to copy your products. How would you feel about that? Isn't that going to hurt you a lot? So that is what you are doing for others as well. You're just copying whatever is working for them and just replicating their strategies. And most of the time, if you don't get that much sale, let's say the person who was doing this for about 1 month 2 months ago, they started this ad and you saw the ad just yesterday and you copied that ad, so they were already in the game, right? So people or Facebook has already optimized their ad. You were just replicating their ad and you're just taking those into your ad, and that way Facebook is thinking, okay, this guy is also doing the same thing, so why should I give you the best opportunity or best sales instead of just giving that person who was making the sales like 2 months ago. So it's quite obvious, right? Facebook is going to help that person because he's the official owner of that video or that ad. So, and most of the time people do get banned due to this action. Just because they just copied someone else's work, it becomes a copyrighted act, it comes under that, and you just get your Facebook ad account banned. Just recently I talked with one of my followers on Instagram, and he asked me, Arijit, I want to start a dropshipping business. I said, okay, cool, I'll help you out with that, but are you determined to do it? Are you keen to start your business properly? He said, okay, I'm totally keen about this, I'm totally pumped, I will provide all my hard work into this. So he started his doing ads, he started running ads, and just yesterday he sent me a text, Arijit, I got my credit card blocked and my Facebook ad account banned. What should I do? I just asked him one simple question. Did you replicate someone else's product? Did you just use their ad image or something? To be honest, he said, I'm not telling this as a joke, guys. He said directly to me, I copied from your store. And that's the funniest thing I've ever heard. But the thing is, you can't just copy someone else's work. That is how they got banned. That is how he got banned. So you have to focus on learning all the strategies and you have to implement them onto your business. What say if I'm not there for your lifetime? So you won't be able to sustain your business without me. Just think of that, guys. So without wasting any more time, I've wasted a lot of time, like 3 minutes and up. So without wasting any more time, I would like to show you on screen in my laptop, and I'm going to go inside my laptop to help you guys figure out how I research for products on AliExpress. So let's dive right into it. So as you can see from here, the screen is aliexpress.com, by the way. So go to Google and type in ALIExpress.com, and from here you can find plethora of products to ship from China directly to your customers, and you don't need to do any warehousing and all those good stuffs, but you can do it if you want. So you can see from here that all these products, pre-order list, flash deals, featured brands, these are all going to overwhelm you once in a while once you just enter this website. Hell, when I just started with dropshipping, when I got introduced with this website, I was so excited to see this website. I thought I'm going to buy every single product from this website for myself, not for product sales, but for myself. And it was crazy. I was totally into this website, and I looked at all their products, I looked at all these good images, good product listings. I was into the electronic gadget niche, like the computer niche, so I thought of buying products from AliExpress. Anyways, having said that, This is the exact website that you can find products for yourself as well as for your customers. So let's look at some of the products in the homepage. As you can see, the homepage has a lot of products listed on them, just because as a customer, for these wholesalers, they are also somewhat customers, right, for AliExpress. So they are trying to bring their product into the homepage, just as similar to Amazon. People, when tries to sell to Amazon, they uh, they try their level best to make their product list in the front page of Amazon, because there are certain metrics that take place in order to list your product. It has to have good customer engagement, it has to has huge number of sales orders and everything of the good stuff, right? So that is why Amazon is quite similar to AliExpress, or basically the otherwise, AliExpress is quite similar to Amazon. And people, when try to, or basically the wholesalers, when trying to put their products on AliExpress homepage, they are basically competing against each other in terms of getting their products listed on the homepage. So you can look at the homepage for some time and look at how this are going well with your business. So just take a look at whatever products you see on your homepage, and basically this more to love section is basically a screenshot, or the product list that you have researched previously. It's quite similar to related category in terms of AliExpress. So just look at some of the products that you think it's going to help you a lot or your business a lot. Let's say this one, and try to look for products that solves a problem. Don't go for a random product that doesn't solve a problem. The product can be a passionate product, the product can be a solving product, the product can be related to any particular category or niche. So something that helps a lot is going to sell a lot. The basic concept is that. So just focus on trying to find something that's providing a solution to a problem. Let's say this one. This does solve a problem in some cases. This duct tape, right? So this do solve a problem in kitchen, like waterproofing your sink, or waterproofing your corners, your doors. And they already have a video listed in here, so you can just use this video, or go to YouTube, search for this product, exact product, look for some videos, and don't just copy everything directly from the video. Just look for this video, whatever you see, and then you just use some snippets from the video, make your own video using captions, using Camtasia basically. So I'm recording the video in Camtasia, by the way. So just use this techniques and build your own videos, and that way you would learn as well as you can earn. So this one does solve a problem. It waterproofs everything, so it can solve a problem. But most of the time people don't buy these things from online, in terms of like getting the product shipped to them for like 20 days after they buy. So these products are basically necessity products, so that means they need the product within just 1 or 2 days. That is why they would look for this product, exact product, on Amazon. So you cannot just sell this product randomly. So let's go back to AliExpress homepage and look for some different products. So okay, so as you can see, the web page refreshed and all the products got changed or somewhat changed. So I looked at one product previously. I should have clicked on it anyways. So let's look at something similar to this. Okay, so these bracelets, or yeah, these bracelets or necklaces are basically a passionate product. It cannot be a necessity product. It cannot solve a problem. Like who can wear this and solve a problem, right? It doesn't solve a problem. It's just something that makes someone feel good about themselves. So you can see from here, this product, life isn't about surviving the storm. It's about learning to dance in the rain. This a quote that's imprinted on the face of this bracelet. So the thing is, who who would love these products? Those people who are survivors of any natural calamity, those people who like surviving niche, or survival niche, sorry. So those people who like camping, those people who like to trekking, hiking, these are all basically for those people in that category. These product is basically for survival niche. So you can promote this product to survival niche candidates or audience, and you can just look at this one. It's $0.48 48 cents basically. When you select this, let's select United States, and look at how much do I have to pay maximum. I won't go beyond $1 or something like that with this kind of product. It's in the top section. Okay, so as you can see, this product with e-packet, you have to choose e-packet, by the way. um, Other than that, you cannot do anything. If you go for a normal shipping, a delivery system, you won't be able to track your product, and once in a while your customers would ask for tracking ID, and if you don't have one, you cannot send it, right? So just look for e-packets only, and once you do that, just click on OK. You can just see what price you have to pay for that product. So totaling, I have to pay around 88 cents to send the product directly to United States to my customers. So I can charge this product $9.95 and have the residual as a profit. And then I can invest in my own business as well, like Facebook ads. I can make more ads with this. So this is the exact way I find winning products for my business. I don't know whether it's going to be winning unless and until I test the product. Let's say this one, it has a glowing light in it, so people might be interested. Is it a earring or is it something else? So I don't know if it's an earring or something else, but I think it's an earring because it says here charm LED stud earring light. So it's an earring. So once you see something unique about a product, like these products are unique, right? These are not something randomly from anywhere. These are unique products, and people would love to buy these products. They cannot just find these products on anywhere. I just found a winning product. Hell, I'm gonna test this product to see whether it's working for me or not. So you can just do the same. Once you enter a product page in AliExpress, what should you look for? The main question is that. So once you visit that, you have to look for the store open rate. Open rate means for how many years the store has been into the business. If it's less than 1 year, don't go for that because you would have huge um, um, what should I say, huge problem with dealing with their customer service. You won't get a reply from them instantly, and all those bad stuffs. Just look for the open rate, go for 2 years or more. Look for the positive feedback. That is the most important thing. This is the customer review for this wholesaler. Then look at how many orders they have received. So currently they have received, you can see the total date of the orders received. 16th of October was the last order received from one single person from India. So this is not a winning product in some sense because not a lot of orders are coming from this. So as you can see from this particular user, the UK guy has purchased five, five and then six, eight. So total of 8 orders has been purchased from this one single person, and it has been ordered on 14th of September. So you can see how much orders. Once you see a lot of orders, that means it's a viral product and it's going viral right now. So you can jump on it. Just make a slideshow, because you cannot just create a video with this. Just make a slideshow video telling what this product can do, how it can help them or how it can benefit them, and everything of that sort. And once you do that, you might get sales. I'm not saying that you would get sale, but you can test it out from your own end. So this is the exact way to find winning products. I'm going to find one another product for you guys just so you can understand what I'm looking for in a product. So these are all basically, I'm looking at the home page, right? Let's say you don't see a lot of, because I have searched a lot of products, that is why I'm seeing a lot of related products in this home page. Let's say you don't see a home page product. What you should do, just type in the niche that you want to go for. First, let's say you are general niche, but you have to you are opening a general store, but you have to look for general niche items, right? In that, let's say you want to do computers, electronics, cell phones, accessories. Let's say you want to do cell phone accessories. So whatever you think of in cell phone accessory, you can look for that in this section. Just once you click on cell phone accessories, don't go for the broader keyword, because people usually go by clicking on the broad keyword and they just look for some offers and all. They just look at how many orders they have received and just jump into that, and they don't get sales. Like this one has like 2400 orders for one single day. This is pending for today, right? Today is 21st of October. So this particular seller has to send out 26 or 2400 orders just today itself. So you might be thinking, okay, so this has a lot of orders, I'm going to jump into this. But that is not something you should look at. You should look at some more strategies as well. So I've talked all the strategies in my training program. It's a gold masterclass program, but like this is a free video. So in this videos, you are going to learn more about what strategies I use for researching products and how you can find products on this. So once you know which category you want to choose, just type in that category, let's say mobile phone accessories, and look at all these informations here. Look at all these things. Mobile phone accessories holder. Let's look at this one. What does it say? So people don't usually go for this. They just randomly choose something on the broader keyword. So once you enter this keyword, you can click on orders. So just relist, or what should I say, um, just order it by number of orders. So as you can see, this one has 11,000 orders. Don't go for this one. Choose something that is going to help a lot in terms of getting engagement, like this. These products do sell a lot with page post engagement, or even with a video ad. If you can find video ads with this, look, there's a video just by the seller. So you can just look at the video, just take certain screenshots from this video. So this is an unboxing video. You can just copy this video, replicate how the product looks in person. So you can just upload this video on YouTube and use it as your own, or you can show it in someone using it on their car, because that is the best way to explain something properly if the product is related to a car. So just find this video on YouTube, find this product on YouTube, find relevant videos on YouTube, and just take certain aspects from that video. Don't just copy the whole video, because you are going to get your account banned for that. Just copy some sections of a video, cut it out, and just put it in your own video and make it your own video, and make it interesting, guys. If you just use a slideshow like this one, if you just change your slide with a background music, that is not going to make anything. That is not going to sell this product. You have to sell yourself in terms of selling a product. That is the best way I can explain. So how would you have loved this product if someone sold it to you? See, they might have used some words with that. They might have used some catchy titles with that. They might have used some catchy videos with that. That is how you might have purchased this product. You wouldn't have purchased this product if it was like something like this. If there was a background music going on and you just put slide images, and it's changing slides once in a while. It's not going to happen like that. You have to create your own videos. So in my next upcoming videos, I might talk about how to create a video properly with Camtasia. You can look at that video and understand how I do it. So till then, I have showed you how to find winning products, how to basically find products and look for testing that product. So in my upcoming videos, I'm going to mostly talk about how to replicate all the strategies and make it come together and come into one action, and find you winning audience for that as well. So till then, I do hope that you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, and and share it with your friends and families if they are into dropshipping business. Just let this word go out, because if you are learning, if you want to teach someone, it's the best way to learn something as well, just by teaching someone. So just what should I say, just look for different opportunities. Just subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified as soon as I upload a new video. I'm going to upload a lot of videos in the upcoming days consecutively for each and every day. I'm trying my best to do that so that you get information about this business and how it works. So I'll catch up with you in the next video.